Vineet.
Hi.
Yeah. Today let's start the topic perimeter and area. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You can continue.
Okay. Here's our board. First of all, I kept a heading perimeter and area.
Okay.
Hope so. In previous classes, you heard and did many sums about the perimeter and area. Of course,
Yeah.
this is not new, but few more shapes I have included in a grade 7. Okay. First of all, this is a perimeter. In mathematics, most of the terms we derived from the Greek and Latin. Okay, so
Okay.
this perimeter is a word. We have this derived from the Greek word. Okay, the
Okay.
real name is perimetro. Perimetron.
Better.
Okay, perimetron. The word peri means it's a around. Around. Metron means measure. Okay,
Okay.
so measuring around. Okay,
Okay.
measuring around. Peri means around, metron means measure. So we are measuring around the place. So this is called, it is a measure of boundary. What it is? Perimeter is a measure of boundary.
Boundary.
So uh, you know, so many polygons we have. Polygons
Yeah.
means the shapes which are having three sides and more than three sides. For example, tell me a three-sided figure.
A triangle.
Yeah, of course, three-sided figure is a triangle, and later four sides means square,
Square.
rectangle, parallelogram, okay, trapezium, rhombus. We have many like this.
Yeah.
So not only polygon means not only three-sided and four-sided. Of course, five-sided figure, pentagon, six-sided figure, hexagon,
Hexagon.
heptagon, octagon, all are polygons. According to your syllabus, we will discuss the perimeter formulas for few figures. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So the first one I am picking up the triangle. Triangle. Where is the shape? I name the triangle as ABC.
Okay.
Okay. So perimeter means measuring the boundary.
Boundaries.
Yes. How to measure this boundary of a triangle? So if I have taken this AB as a length A and this BC as a small b and CA as a small c, then this perimeter is equal to P for perimeter. Okay.
Okay.
Perimeter of a triangle is equal to measuring of three sides AB plus BC plus CA, which is nothing but A plus B plus C.
Okay.
Okay. Next, four-sided figure, square.
Square.
Let's recollect the topic of square. It's named as ABCD again. Square means all the sides are equal, right? It
Yeah.
has a four sides. All the sides are equal.
Equal.
So how to measure this perimeter? Perimeter means measuring its boundary.
Boundaries.
I'm adding up all its sides. Okay. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Let's take each side is S or A. So I'm taking S here. Board with A letter. So I have picked up each side is S. Then
Okay.
S plus S plus S plus S. How many S's we have?
4s.
4. So the perimeter of a square is 4S.
4s.
Next, rectangle. Rectangle. So the property of rectangle we know. Opposite sides are equal.
Equal.
So this and this are equal. This AD is equal to BC.
BC.
AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. So again, how we can measure this boundary? Perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Let's take this AB is L, letter L. Then automatically BC also it becomes same because these both sides are equal. Let's take AD is W or B. W I'll take. And this one also will become W.
W.
So now adding up of the boundary L plus W plus L plus W.
W.
How many L's? 2 L's. 2 W's. So if we have taken a 2 as a common because in these two terms we have a 2, put it the 2 outside. So it gives L plus W.
W.
So the formula of perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times of L plus W.
Okay.
The next figure is parallelogram. Parallelogram. A, B, C, D. In parallelogram, the property is opposite sides are equal like a rectangle and they are also parallel. Parallel means what? Those lines travel like endless but they doesn't meet at anywhere. They are parallel. They'll maintain the same distance. For example, if I extend this line, it will go like this only. Even the BC, if I extend the downwards or upwards, it goes like that only. It never meets the AD. This BC never meets the AD. They'll maintain the gap as it is. So we call them as these lines are parallel. So in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and also equal. How to find out the perimeter? It's nothing but it's a special type of a rectangle only. Parallelogram also. Okay. So if you have taken this also L, L and this also W, W, it's same like a rectangle. So again you can measure it as a 2 times of L plus W. Okay. So next, so these are all plane figures. So we measured and find the perimeter very easily. And we have a few curved surfaces also. Let us say the curved surface is a circle.
Circle.
Circle. How to measure the perimeter of a circle? Let's recollect the topic about the circle. Circle, what is this? This is called center.
Center.
Yeah, point only, of course. This is called center. From center to, if I have drawn a line on the circle, this is called radius, which is very important to the circle. So everywhere, wherever you measure from the center to any part of the circle, that will be the same. So that is called radius. Okay. A line which is passing from the center of the circle. I said this is the center, right? A line which is passing from center of the circle, and also it is touching the 2 points on the circle. This is called the diameter. So diameter is nothing but it's a line which is passing from one end of the circle to another end of the circle through the center. One end of the circle to another end of the circle through the center. If I put a line here, Is this a diameter?
No.
No, because it is not passing through the center, right? Of course, it is touching the two points on the circle, but it is not passing through the center. So that is not a diameter. So this is called diameter. As I said, from center of the circle to the any part of the circle, it is R. Same here also, from center of the circle to the any part of the circle is R.
R.
So diameter is equal to R plus R 2R. Okay. If you want to find out radius in terms of the diameter, means they have a given radius, but if you want to find out the diameter, so you need to apply this formula. Okay.
Okay.
Now diameter has given. If you want to find out the radius, then what you have to do, you need to make it half. Radius is equal to half of the diameter, isn't it?
Yeah.
Half of diameter is equal to d by 2. Now, perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle is also called as circumference of the circle. Perimeter of a circle is also called as circumference. Circumference. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. R is the radius and the pi value is constant always. Constant means it is fixed.
Fixed.
Fixed. It's not variable, it's a fixed, it doesn't change. If you want to put the pi value in decimal, it is considered as 3.14. Or else if you want to take it as a fraction, we can consider it as a 22 over 7. Okay, this is the pi value. If you want to take it as a decimal, you can use this, or if you want to take it as a fraction, you can use this. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the topic about perimeter of a figures, perimeter of a polygons and perimeter of a curved surface. Now what are the units of this? Units of perimeter. The smallest units of a perimeter is centimeters. Okay, smallest units of a perimeter is centimeter. cm means what? Centimeter.
Centimeter.
Let us try with some applications. Where do we will find the perimeter? Uses. For example, this is a house, beautiful house, na?
Yeah.
If I want to put a fencing around the house. Fencing means you understood, right? It's a boundary which covers the house so that it will be very safer from the strangers, and also animals also will not come inside easily. So if you want to put a fence around your house, you need to measure the perimeter, right? Because this is fencing is nothing but boundary. I am putting something around your house. So boundary of your house is covered with wood or some like a steel wire, which is nothing but called as a fencing. So for this you can find out the perimeter and you can put the fencing easily. Yeah. One more. If you want to find out the cloth, which is put it on a dining table. Say some cloth is kept on the dining table, like so many mats we will put on the dining table.
Yeah.
Yes. So how much cloth required to cover that table? So if you want to find out means, so you need to measure the
Perimeter.
perimeter. Okay.
Okay.
So one is to find cost of fencing to the field. Another one is to measure to measure table to measure a table cloth required to cover it. Hope you understood about the perimeter. Could you give me any example?
Okay. Find the length of a lace to put on a handkerchief as a holder. I mean, like this. This
Yeah,
this
smart.
is called perimeter, the boundary.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, if you want to put a lace around your kerchief, you need to find out the perimeter. Good
Perimeter.
example, Pranit. Hope I might help you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.